'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, except for Santa, who was dying.
I'm dying. The YouTube algorithm. It's killing Santa. All of the elves are dead. All of the reindeers are dead. Even Rudolph. Nothing can save me. Christmas is surely doomed.
There is one cure known to mankind.
Oh,
Grandma's old Christmas cake. It's been known to cure any disease at Christmas time.
in order to save Christmas, you must first save Santa Claus.
Don't worry, Santa. It's all gonna be fine. Edgar's on it. Here we go. Let's get this right here. One flower. Here we go. Okay. Oh boy. Fuck, I can't grab it. Oh, I got it. Here we go. Fuck. Alright, there we go. Perfect. First ingredient in Grandma's recipe is flour. Grandma used to be a flower. Right. Moving on. Now let's be very careful with the eggs. Anything could happen. Second ingredient is eggs, because Grandma loves eggs. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Got it. Santa's gonna feel great. Santa's gonna feel so good. And now, oh shit. Oopsie. Now, just a hint of salt. You ready? 1, 2. Nailed it! Now, got it. Grandma's secret stash. Herbs. It makes you feel nice and warm. Grandma knew how to find the dank shit. Grandma was a little bit of a drinker. And by a little bit, I mean, holy shit. Down, I'm not wasting it. Shit. No. Alright, here we go. There you go. Perfect. Just as it was intended. Now this. Mix it up a little bit. Let's give it a good sniff. Oh yeah. Next ingredient. Every Christmas was a sad memory because Grandma was alcoholic, but we have to honor her recipe. Oh, wow. Pour it a little bit. There you go. More. Next ingredient. Grandma was also addicted to Class A drugs. She loved heroin, cocaine, and any pills she could find, really. Santa, have a little taste. You gotta pour it a little bit for me, buddy. So good. Once this is in the oven, I'm sure I will be 100%. But until then, I'm dying. Hey, by the way, Santa, what did you give me for Christmas? That's funny you should ask, Edgar. A loot anime. Wanna open it together? Yes, a sponsored loot crate. That will do just great. Okay, the first item is Ichigo Kurosaki. Pants. Oh my god, you love pants. So much that he goes away. Oh my god, it's Ichigo, my favorite Naruto character. There you go, Edgar.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh my god, I love these. These are ancient scrolls. A scroll! A magical scroll! You've earned it. Ooh, what is this? It's a manga! Sword Art Online. That's cool. I want to read this one. Loot Crate exclusive. So it's like an OVA? You fucking nerd. Ooh! Fuck yeah. Okay, this is Berserk, one of my favorite anime. It's a blade letter opener. Whoa! That's cool! It's his sword. This sword is like the most badass sword in any like fiction I've ever read about. It's so cool. Whoa, is this an anime poster?
Oh yeah, I'll definitely put this on my wall.
The final ingredient that we've been looking for. You found it.
I'm still dying, but there's another way to save Santa. Sign up between November 28 and December 27 to get December's Theme Galaxy. It's got stuff from Cowboy Bebop and Sailor Moon. Go to lootcrate.com/Pewts. Enter the code Pewts and save 10%. Now, hurry.
I must be fast. I must save. I did it. It's ready to go in the oven. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Jesus Christ. It must be cooked for 7 minutes and 77 seconds. Hold on, Santa! I will save you! It's done. The masterpiece that will save Christmas. Fuck. Luckily, there's one left. Let's see what Santa says about it. What? Oh, Edgar, you came for me.
Oh, thank you, Edgar.
Christmas is saved. You saved my life. You saved me. I didn't save you. I saved Christmas.
Now, Edgar, I believe you owe me a face massage.
Oh, Edgar. Gentle, please. Oh, yeah. Oh. No.